Hey everyone and welcome to the course overview video for the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional Certification on Domain 1. My name is Zeel and I have been working in AWS since more than 5 years. Along with that, I have been an author of several books related to both AWS as well as security specific domains. One of my specialization area have been cloud security, and I have been working extensively in building security operations center for enterprises. Domain 1 is one of the largest domain in the AWS DevOps Engineer certification, and it covers 55% of the overall exam. This domain is aimed towards the CI/CD and the process automation related aspects. The videos within this course for the Domain 1 are actually divided into 4 sections. The section 1 is aimed towards getting started with the Domain 1. In the first section, we'll be discussing the basics about DevOps mindset, post which we'll discuss about CI/CD as well as the version control facility which is available both at the S3 bucket level as well as through the feature of AWS Code Commit. We'll look into detail related to how we can create repository in Code Commit and various features which Code Commit provides to us. The section 2 is aimed towards mastering infrastructure as code. In this section, we'll look into the basics of CloudFormation and we'll look into how we can create our CloudFormation stacks. Once we are done with the basics, we'll explore various CloudFormation features which are available and are important for the exams. These CloudFormation features includes CloudFormation functions. It includes integrating the user data scripts along with CloudFormation. Post which we'll also learn on how we can write CloudFormation templates, and we'll look into various functions as well as properties which are available for CloudFormation which are important for the exams. The section 3 is aimed towards AWS Elastic Beanstalk Primer. In this section, we'll be discussing primarily about the Elastic Beanstalk. We'll look into how we can create our own custom Elastic Beanstalk environment, as well as we'll look into how we can integrate the Docker containers with the help of Elastic Beanstalk. And the section 4 is aimed towards working with OpsWorks. This section is a mega primer for OpsWorks where we'll start from the basics of OpsWorks to deployment of basic OpsWorks stack, post which we'll be discussing the basic features which are available in OpsWorks like run command, create deployment commands, the monitoring aspects, and various others which are important for the exams. Now, there are certain prerequisites that you should be knowing before you can register for the exam. In terms of certification, AWS mandates that any candidates who plan to give this certification should have the AWS Certified Developer Associate or AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate certification. Along with that, in terms of better learnability, it is recommended that the candidates should have an AWS account so that they can follow on with the practicals that we'll be discussing throughout this course. So this is it about the course overview. I really hope this video has been useful for you and I'm really excited to see you aboard.